This is the inferior aspect of the human skull. You can see here teeth, and this area is a maxilla, which is a part of the hard palate. Below the maxilla, this area is the area is called palatine bone. If you go further down, this area right here, this is called vomer, one single bone, which is called vomer. And after that, you can see here, this one is this area is called both sides, the zygomatic bone, and the entire surface towards the temporal bone. This is called zygomatic arch. In the temporal bone, you will see this area right here, some depressed area both sides. This is called mandibular fascia of temporal bone. Mandibular fascia of the temporal bone. The mandible actually articulates in this area. And this area right here, both sides, this one is called mastoid process. Raised area right here is mastoid process. This area is for muscle attachment. For example, is sternocleidomastoid muscle attached in this area, and the hole, the huge bigger hole right here, this area is called foramen magnum, and there are other small hole also. You can see here, this one, this both side. This one is called foramen oval. This one, these two hole is called foramen lacerum. Another one is small tiny hole both side. This is called foramen spinosum. You can see here in the temporal bone, the small foramen. This is called carotid canal. The carotid artery from here goes to the brain. Carotid canal, and below this depressed area, there is another foramen we cannot see from here. The depressed area is called jugular fossa, and there is another there is a hole also, a small tiny hole both sides. That foramen is called jugular foramen. The depressed area is called jugular fossa, and foramen is the small tiny hole is called jugular foramen, where the jugular vein passes through it. And also you can see here this area, the plate. We're gonna see here medial. This is the medial pterygoid plate, and this one is called lateral pterygoid plate. These plates are also for the muscle attachment. And this area, whole entire area is called occipital bone. So occipital bone, this is the occipital bone. So the ridge area, which is this one right here. These two ridge area, this is occipital condyle. This is articulating with the cervical vertebrae, atlas. So this is only for inferior aspect of the human skull. and other coming up in other video. You can go over. I can go over it again. Thank you.